Application of counting in billions to everyday life. For example, the richest man in Nigeria, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, has a net worth of 11.7 billion US dollars. Write his net worth in full digits and in word. So we are told to write the net worth of Alhaji Aliko Dangote, the richest man in Nigeria, from this 11.7 billion USD to the full digit form and then in words. Now to do this, we have to break this down. Solution. His net worth is therefore 11 billion USD plus 0.7 billion USD. Now, we can see we have the billion place value in this statement, but we have to factor the other place values that come after the billion, such as we have from billion to millions to thousands and then ones. And the number before the decimal point is the one that takes the billion, which we always write as it is. But any other number that comes after the point will fill up the next place value, which in this case is million. After the decimal point, we have the number 7. And do not forget also that in each of these groups, we have 3 digits. So we always write from left to right. So in this case, we will be having Alhaji Aliko Dangote's net worth as, remember, since it's in US dollars, the symbol for dollars. And then the number 11. Then a comma. After the decimal point, we have the number 7. So we write that 7. But in this million category where 7 falls, we ought to have 3 other digits. So we fill up that space with 0, and the same goes for every other place value. So we have 0, 0, and then in the thousand, since there are no other digits, we have already used up the million, then we go and fill up with zeros, as said. And the number we have here is 11 billion, but this time 700 million. So you see, 11.7 billion is actually 11 billion 700 million US dollars. Now let's put this statement back with this written in words. So we will say the richest man in Nigeria, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, okay, has a net worth of the number now 11 billion 700 100 million USD. And that is how we apply counting in billions to everyday life. Thank you.